Alright, this is a 2002, what is this, third generation Dodge, Dodge Ram 1500, 4.7 Magnum V8, had a crank no start issue. Bought the truck as a project. It was not running when I got it. The diagnosis from the dealership that the guy took it to said that the PCM was bad and the battery was dead and possibly shot. So I agree with the PCM. It did need replaced. The battery, I just went out and got a cheapie, as you can see here. Put a new PCM in it. Back in there. Actually a reprogrammed PCM. It's like less than $200 online. Got the PCM in, put the battery in. It did crank over, but it ran really bad. So anyway, what I did on top of that, I went ahead and put new coil packs and such in there. Put new coil packs, new plugs. I also changed the cam sensor and the crank sensor. And while I was at it, I also got the idle air control unit, and I changed that out. Now, all this that I've done, price-wise, was really actually pretty cheap. The sensors, both sensors were $10 or less. The idle air was $10 or less. The plugs, I paid $12 for the set online. And the coil packs were right at $35, let's say. So the truck's been pretty cheap to work on. Anyhow, with that being said, after everything that I changed, I'll come over here. It has 137 687 on it, and fires right up. And the idle down here in a minute. But runs real smooth, no shaking. So for anybody out there that has a problem with their Dodge of this vintage, I would suggest doing the same thing. Pretty simple, pretty fast, pretty easy. I'm going to do a little bit more to the truck before I start driving it, but and I need to bolt down that air cleaner and stuff. But for what it's worth, that's what I would recommend you do. Just change those sensors and stuff, change the plugs, coil, all that, and definitely look at that PCM, and that should cure the problem. Thanks for watching.